At BAE Systems, we have a legacy. But it's not just about the past. We believe a legacy is only as good as what we do today. We believe on land and at sea, we must always be on target. Because the men and women who depend on us believe in something bigger than themselves. And we believe in them. That's why we innovate and engineer, build, test, and refine, support, maintain, and modernize. Just because we have a history doesn't mean we've stopped innovating. We set the standard, and we keep raising the bar. We solve the challenges of tomorrow by applying the most advanced technology today. We partner with you to perfect what matters most, saving lives and saving costs. And our work doesn't stop when it leaves our hands, because your work doesn't stop either. We don't just get things done, we do them right, because we believe in what we do. On land, at sea, on target. Advanced solutions that give our customers the edge when they need it most. That's our legacy, our mission, now and always.